Hey, Alexandra here from roastmysaaSproduct.com, and today we're looking at an interesting product called aiCarousels. So we're starting from the landing page to get the value proposition, to understand more about this product, and we'll go through the sign up, onboarding, and the product itself to see how we can make it better. Okay, so it's a carousel maker and generator for LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. This is the category of the product. It's easy to understand. And the promise is that this is the fastest way to create social media carousels. One problem, like I know carousels on all social media platforms have exploded in popularity. A lot of people are using, they're engaging. I know that I stop from time to time to look through carousels on LinkedIn, for example, but making them, creating them, it's taking a while. You have to think about the design, arranging the text, and so on. So I want to see if I do want to start creating carousels. Now I want to see if this is going to make it easy for me indeed or not, right? And since it's AI carousel, I'm guessing it's using AI. So AI is supposed to help me with the design, or rather, I'm guessing there's going to be templates, and then the AI helps me with the content. Now, I'm not that interested in the AI helping me with the content, but I am interested in being able to just focus on like what I want to say. Okay, so recommended by top creators. These are some examples. I can definitely say that the carousels are looking good and they are made to go along with each other to make them feel continuous, which is really nice and kind of like makes you want to look at the next one and so on. Although I would say that the arrow would make sense to actually be before the next one, because like you see something here, you would so this one is kind of like telling you that there's going to be more. I get it. Okay. Yeah, like these are simple and looking good. Create professional looking carousels with ease, and that's kind of what I see here. I see that they're professional carousels, and they're promising that it's going to be easy for me to do that. I have an AI writing assistant, no design experience required, auto resize, predefined colors and fonts, fully customizable template, right? Save and load custom presets, really good, because maybe I picked something, a design for me. I don't want to have to think about the design over and over again. For LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok, so I'm not interested in TikTok, for example, but I am interested in LinkedIn and Instagram. Mostly free to use. Okay, so there's a freemium here. Versatile, high quality export, so you can get a PDF and a JPEG, perfect. And then bonus features with the Pro plan, you get a LinkedIn post generator, hundreds of customizable templates, and let AI make your posts truly stand out. So it's going to write posts for me, but that's actually not something that I'm interested in. Post ideas generator, okay, that's something that could be useful. The only thing is, if I'm paying for Taplio or a tool like that, for example, I wouldn't really need this. I would just need the carousel thing. Quote card generator, AI makes it simple to turn your content into great looking social media quote cards. Okay, I don't 100% know what exactly this is, but I can learn more if I wanted to, but I'm sure we'll see that. Lots of testimonials, and even the source for the testimonials, which is really good. Yeah, lots of reviews, really nice. So start designing stunning carousels today. No sign up required. Bonus points, that's perfect. Found it in Sweden. I don't know if that's a trust built in, because I've never been to Sweden, and I know it's a nice country, but I don't know if that matters. And then by pressing create carousel, you agree to our privacy policy. Sure, that's good. And then there's a few FAQs here. Yeah, let's have a look at the product. One thing I forgot to do is actually check out the pricing, and I do not see how I can do that, how I can get access and check out the pro plan. Probably something from within. So that's also an interesting thing. So let's do create carousel. So I get the editor and a template gallery straight away to let me pick from an existing template, and then I can adapt it to my brand. So let's check this out. I can close this out, but yeah, like even if I close this out, looks like there's still something there already filled in. So this is really good. Like, you're letting me play with the product from the very beginning. This is exactly how it's done. And you're not overwhelming me with picking different categories. I can just scroll and pick the visual aspect that I feel matches the most to kind of like this kind of vibe that I want to send. So I'm going to keep on scrolling to see what's going to happen when I get to the end. But I'm pretty sure there's like a huge library by now already. I could, of course, just close this and try to build everything on my own. But when it comes to people that are not familiar with this yet, this is a great way to fix the cold start problem. But as opposed to how Tally did it, for example, right? The way Tally did it, they would kind of like create this feeling of underwhelm and then overwhelm if you want to pick a template, because there's a lot of different categories. So over there, using AI to help you, again, like if you haven't watched the tally video, just go and watch it. But here, you don't need that. Here, you just show me a bunch of different styles, and I can just look and pick something that I'm gonna like. So that is all. Let's see. Let's choose this one, for example. Let's say I like this one. Even if you immediately decided to close this, you'd still have a carousel ready here for you to start designing and writing stuff. What if I randomize? So what's they're gonna do? So it's just giving me, yeah, like this is amazing. I am really impressed with how you get access to the product, and I don't feel any overwhelm, neither underwhelm nor overwhelm. Like, yeah, this is really nice. And then AI carousel generator, that's a pro feature, so I can generate carousel and I can choose some text maybe. So it looks like I can put a long form post that I have on LinkedIn, and it would generate a carousel from that. This is really amazing. You can give it a URL to read, or you can generate a carousel from a video or from a PDF. This is amazing. Like, I am genuinely impressed with the product, with the onboarding, because the onboarding in this case, it's very simple. It just takes you straight into the product. Let's see the post formatter. So you can say different, you can write your post in like format with like different styling, which is actually very complicated to do directly. And no wonder this product took off like crazy. I can definitely see it. And even like the upsell and all, like it allows me to do stuff to write information here, but then try post generator. It's even going to show me how to use this. Let's say I want to improve writing. Like it's going to let me use this, but I'm guessing at some point you definitely want to sign up if you want to do the pro, because that's the next thing that I'm interested in. Like I see so much value just like from the product itself. I can even download the carousel, a pro background design to download for free. Please choose a free design option. Okay, sounds good. And now for the first time, I'm actually seeing the plan, because I've used something like this. The only thing is when I say download here, instead of actually telling me, so that's the first thing that I see. Instead of telling me that I've selected a pro background to download for free, take me here directly and tell me why. Tell me like, hey, you downloaded, like this is the way you can do, or just pick something else, right? So that's like one of the things that you would do. So if I download for free, there is a watermark. So I'm seeing if I get pro, there's not going to be a watermark, but the free version has a watermark. And because of this is like what they're using to promote the product. So freemium model totally makes sense, totally deserved. So let's see, select template. I'm going to use a free template maybe this time because I want to check out. So that's still a pro template. So which one is a free template? Let me look again. Maybe I didn't notice. But yeah, I do not know which one is a free template and which one isn't. So that's a little problem that I'm noticing here. So download. Okay, so now I can download, but like I had no idea. I had no idea which one was free and which one wasn't. So now I definitely see my carousel, all good. I was able to download it, but I did not see that it was a free template. So I would specifically mention that. And like, this is nice how they're telling me, oh, so as soon as I downloaded, they show, like, this is amazing. This is what I would do. So as soon as you download something, you basically try to shoot your offer because you've seen what this is about. So I guess one thing that I would do here is instead of say, create it for free at aicarousels.com, I would change the text to create your own at aicarousels.com, right? I want to make this an action-based, and this will entice people to go to the website and create their own carousels. Now, I can sign up, of course, or I can keep on using this without signing up. Of course, I want to save my progress. That's a very... Okay, so that's another thing here. If you want to save progress, you need to sign up for the pro plan. Interesting. Just to save progress, I guess I would not do that. So that's another thing that I would change. Let me save progress by signing up. So that would be a very good reason for me to give you my email and password. So you've captured me, you've acquired me. And the next step, I mean, you've also activated me already because I've used this. So the next step would be to convert me to revenue to entice me with all your features. So remove watermark would be one of the reasons maybe why I would pay $15 a month. But I also get like a bunch more things. Since I see here unlimited downloads, I'm assuming I wouldn't be able to keep on downloading carousels for free. So that's another good reason. Like there's a lot of good reasons here why I would upgrade. But make sure you have captured me by allowing me to save my progress into my account without having to pay, of course. And that's pretty much all I would do or all I would change for this product right now without looking into it even further. So yeah, if you want your own roast, just go to roastmysaaSproduct.com, book your roast, and within 48 hours, I will send you a fully personalized and private roast of your product to show you how you can improve activations, increase free to paid conversions so you can start making more money, all just specialized for you. All right, so hopefully you love this roast and see you on the other side.